Welcome back. I am Agnes Apio, an architect from Fixed Spaces Limited. As we previously discussed, some of the different problems that we have in construction and design are low levels of supervision and skipping of different professionals. So today's topic is about the different types of contracts that we have in construction. In Uganda, most clients usually get their own labor and decide to buy the material by themselves. However, when you get a contractor, you can decide to sign a labor contract. What is a labor contract? A labor contract entails one where the client and the contractor agree on a certain rate or amount for the labor alone, and the materials are still provided by the client. Here, the contractor will provide supervision full-time, have qualified professionals on the project during the whole duration of the project. The payments can be done according to the agreement between the contractor and the client, and this may vary depending on the project. Another type of contract that we have is ad measurement. Ad measurement contract is one where the project is broken down into phases where a client provides a certain percentage of the total cost of the project, and the rest of the payments are done in interim payments after a payment certificate is provided by the contractor. Here, a quantity surveyor is usually used to help quantify and verify the rates that are provided by the contractor according to the agreed upon rates. So the quantity surveyor will confirm the rates that are on ground to the ones that were agreed upon in the interim payment certificate. Thereafter, the client will be able to advance the payment for the certificate provided. The next contract that we have is a lump sum contract. This is a very common one that is known by the population, and it's one where the client and the contractor agree upon a total lump sum or the total amount that will be costed in the project, and this is given to the contractor to deliver the whole project in totality according to the scope of works that you have agreed upon. So the next type of contract that we have is a framework contract. Under a framework contract, projects that are very big, such as building of stadiums, building of airports, you find that one contractor cannot deliver the projects alone. So the contract is broken down into different parts. And here, the different contractors get to bid for the different sections of the project. So some will handle the building and some will handle, for example, the courts. So these different projects all will concurrently happen, and they're all contractors, not subcontractors in these projects. So these are just some of the most common types of contracts that we have in our construction field. The reason for this video is so that you are informed about the different types of contracts, so that you also can still use, for example, how we mentioned before, the labor contract, which is a very common one that already occurs today. So you can now do this with your contractor, ask for a labor contract in case you just want them to provide the labor and the supervision services and the skilled people or skilled labor. So if you just want the whole project complete, you will get the lump sum type of contract, but this doesn't mean that you have to pay it all at once. You can still agree with your contractor to pay it in different stages according to your project, just that the amount does not change. When you have variations, those will come in as additions. When you have your ad measurement type of contract, this is one where you have a quantity surveyor to help you check and make sure that your contractor has actually applied the quantities that he has given to you in the interim certificate. So when it comes to the framework type of contract, of course, this applies to big projects, and we said it's broken down into the different parts so that the project is delivered in completion and within the time frame. So I hope you'll be able to choose the best type of contract so that you are sure that your project will stand, will be within the specifications provided in your plans, follows the rules and guidelines of the country, that is the building code, and your project will be delivered with quality and of high standing value. Follow, like, subscribe to our channel, and reach out to Pitch Spaces for all these services: architectural, construction, structure plans, M&E, all these services. Thank you.